Hi everyone, Peter Drew here. This is the EVO Pro Create a New Project video tutorial. Previously you would have already seen how to create static accounts. If you haven't seen that, I suggest you go to evopro.tv and watch that video first. Okay, to create a new project, click on New Project. Enter a project name and description. Or you can load a previous project from archive, which I'll do another video tutorial on after this one. Okay, so we've got our video demo down. Click on OK and it brings up this pane. You'll see I've prepared this little text document previously with my main keyword phrase, the URL I'm promoting, the RSS feed, the related keyword phrases, and there's other links which I'll show you in a sec. So let's just copy and paste. My main keyword phrase goes here, main URL, RSS feed, and my main tags. The tags are separated by comments. Select the category, which will be science and technology. I'll generate a default username there, and here I'll choose a static account that I've previously created. Here, so it's really easy to select any of the previous static accounts you've created. Typically some people have their own personal ones and then others for SEO clients that they've got. This username here is the username that we use to create accounts on all the sites that we promote links on. This name looks a bit long, so I'll just reduce it down a bit. As long as it's unique, it will be fine. Here you'll see the advanced email section. There will be another video tutorial called Advanced Email Settings for EVO Pro. Check that out. So we click on Next. Articles. So that would be Internet. Click on Get Articles. The beauty of these articles are that they are all unique to you. The content in them is 100% unique. If I click that again and even pull the same articles, the articles will be different than the ones you see just there. We have the ability to edit these articles if we choose. This is all the article content, the author's bio boxes, etc. Or you can add your own original article. When this window first comes up, you'll be able to highlight or check on that radio button, add your own unique article content, and then once this radio button has been chosen, it will then push these articles to the article directories. So that's all pretty simple. Importantly, we put our keyword phrase at the beginning of the title of each of our articles, as you can see from here. That there is pushed to the front of the article name. Click on Next. Here we have the opportunity to place other links at the bottom of the articles and also on the high page rank sites that we promote. Here's my little text file here. This one here is one of my YouTube videos, so I'll give that some linking loving, and that will rank really well in the search as well. Get me some more video exposures. This one here is the new Facebook application I created to post your Facebook updates to your Twitter account. And so I'm giving that some linking love as well. Up here, just write basic info. Click Next, and we are almost done. By the time you see this video, there will be tons more high page rank sites down here. So you select all the ones you want to use, generally select all, click next. Here you choose the high page rank submission main sites. Typically we leave that as default or checked and click on start. Yes, I want to save this. So now it's just sitting there waiting until I click start. But before we start, I'll show you the settings. Typically when you're first starting using EVO Pro, I would suggest using 5 threads. Make sure it completes the runs okay, then you can bump up the threads a couple at a time. Also we have proxy settings. Currently there's only the ability for one proxy and one port. Most likely by the time you see this we'll have the ability to list a whole bunch of proxies at once, and they'll be rotated as the project goes through. But honestly, I've never felt the need to use proxies in the last couple of years using Brute Force SEO, EVO 2 or EVO Pro. I can tell you in the last 2 weeks I would have done 50 projects and haven't really had a need for proxies, though lots of people wanted it, so we've added it. Close. I'll actually bump that up to 10 for this project. So that's pretty much it. That's all you need to. That's all the information you need to promote your websites, and click on start. At this point, the software is pulling an email, a Yahoo email address from our database that you can use. The first of all, it logs out, as you'll see here now, and then it will log back in. On this preview screen, there are 2 buttons to the right, refresh and skip. As you know, we work with literally hundreds of websites. Sometimes one may be down. If that's the case, click on skip. Other times a page may stall. If that's the case, click on refresh and the software will pick it up and continue on. So really that's about it. I'll come back towards the middle of the project to show you where it's up to and what it does, and then at the end. But really that's under 5 minutes to set up a complete massive backlinking project to get your sites ranking particularly well. As you can see here, it's using 10 threads. It's going to all these sites to create accounts on them. While that's going along, I'll take the opportunity to tell you that if you have any questions whatsoever, just come to seofightclub.bruteforceseo.com. Feel free to ask any questions, and there's tons of people, plus myself in there, able to help you. At the end of the project, you'll see a window pop up with the results displaying all the URLs to your main sites and high page rank sites. You can right click on there, select all, then right click and copy, and keep those for your records and to pass on to your SEO clients, etc. See you in the next video tutorial.